Okay, video is going to include replacing my lock on my Undercover tonneau cover. As you can see here, this is the linkage, which I highly suggest if you're going to be replacing yours, is to go ahead and take pictures and videos so you know exactly how everything goes back together again. This one's missing the clip, which I'll show you later where it goes, because the time I took it off before to try to repair it, it broke. Okay, my parts finally came in. This is the lock with the attachment bolt screw that goes onto it. I'll show you where that goes, along with the clip and the retaining ring, if you want to call it that. What you want to do is to remove the silver retaining bent bar, whatever you want to call it, and it's going to take some finagling to get it around and out so you can remove the whole shaft and everything. The thing you want to do is loosen, and then you can, with an adjustable pliers is the best way, that big nut on the lock assembly, and take that all, or slide it over to the end, and also the wing nut on the other side of the handle. Okay, once you get it out, which is just takes some maneuvering to get it out of the, or off of the SE cover, pay close attention on the orientation of your lock and the back portion. At this point, you're going to need to get a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the nut there, that, or bolt, screw, whatever you want to call it, to get it out. Remove the tube. Your lock should be able to come loose. Sometimes it gets stuck. Just go ahead and light tap on the back side of it and it should come out. Once you finally get it through, you might have to bend this little piece here just a bit. That's fine. Just don't get too carried away. Make sure your locking nut is inside there before you put it on, and also make sure the nut is turned to the correct end so it locks into place securely. You'll see the little arrow, if you want to call it that, on there. It helps lock it in once you lock it into place. To remove the yellow clip that's around the cylinders in the rear of the lock, this helps or gets it started prior to putting your key in. At this point, got everything clipped back together. Got that clip on, tighten everything down, lock this into place, but do not over tighten, just enough to squeeze the rubber washer against the lock portion on the outside. The last step is go ahead and pull the sticker off and insert your key, turn it, pull your key out, and you're all set. Now it's keyed to your truck key and ready to use.